Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and talk about another content style today. Today, we got mind maps. Mind maps are a very powerful play if you want to introduce a new way to present value to your audience. Right now, everyone's leveraging content, but what if you can visually showcase that content? That's why people love video breakdowns. That's why people love images within tweets. We're basically working alongside the psychology of your perfect prospect. So, what are they and how to use them? Mind maps are necessary for each content strategy. It doesn't matter what follower range you're in. They're used at the top of the funnel and the middle of the funnel. We're going to leverage them to present value in different ways than normally expected. So, we're going to use them for roadmap based content or step by step content. Guys, this is the most important aspect that I just brought up. Roadmap based content or step by step content. What is roadmap based content? Roadmap based content is the journey it takes to reach a specific end outcome. For example, how to improve your product page to a 3.5% conversion rate, or how to build your account into an authority, or how to reach 30% of all your revenue from your emails. It's selling an end outcome and the roadmap it takes to get there. Then there's also step by steps, the X steps it takes you to reach specific goal. For example, 6 winning strategies to double your conversion rate, 6 winning strategies to do XYZ. And this is a perfect example. 4,300 likes. Carl Weiss I studied 38 brands that do over 10 million a year, 16 of which are my clients. Here are the 6 most common elements they have on their landing page to boost conversion rates and AOV. Implement this. How do you actually create them? We're going to discuss that. Here are a few more examples. Let's audit an 8-figure brand's Facebook ad account together. He made this into a series and he broke down the elements right here. One of the biggest mistakes in Facebook ads is not using post ID. Here's how to leverage it using another one of our templates. I've helped hundreds of agencies scale by $1 million a year through the right systems. Here's his exact process. This is strategy, aka steps. This one's strategy, aka steps. This one's roadmap, and this one right here is roadmap, right? So those are the 2 different styles that we need to be leveraging. You guys have all of our mind map templates. Every mind map that you've seen on X right now is our templates. So you are going to be leveraging them for your account. I recommend using the Figma ones. You have a tutorial right here on how to use the templates, as well as how to change fonts and all as well too. So you guys can go ahead and just click on all of the respective videos, right? So if I go back to the actual template sheet, ignore any of the ones that say Canva besides this. This one does exceptionally well. And then scroll down to all the remainder of the Figma ones. All you're going to be doing, my friends, is clicking on any of these Figma templates, and you're going to replace the colors accordingly, change your logo accordingly, of course, and then the actual value inside. So all the elements are pre-open and pre-ready for you guys as well too. And we're going to look at some examples together right now on how to actually edit this. So let's go ahead and pull this up. So as you guys can see right here on my screen right now, you guys have all the building blocks right here. You guys have all the individual elements right here. There's a mind map template tutorial for you right here. And then you guys are going to be able to play around with the actual templates right here. It's super straightforward, guys. And it's on every single template that you guys have. So if you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please watch the content strategy template video to see how you're going to leverage this on your content strategy.